Want to program a key fob for your 1998-2011 Ford Ranger? It's a simple DIY task. These models don't have smart key systems, so you won't need special tools or a dealership visit. Make sure your Ranger is unlocked and all doors are closed. Insert your key into the ignition and quickly turn it from off to on without starting the engine 4 times within 10 seconds. You should hear a chime indicating you're in programming mode. Immediately press the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds. You should hear the horn chirp, confirming the pairing. Repeat this process for any additional key fobs you want to program, up to 4. Cycle the ignition one more time to exit programming mode. That's it. You've successfully programmed your Ford Ranger key fob. Remember, if the programming fails, battery issues or signal interference might be the cause. What if your key fob programming doesn't work? First, check the fob's battery. A CR2032 is commonly used. A weak battery is a frequent culprit. Also, be aware of aftermarket fobs. While they're cheaper, some might not be fully compatible or could even pose security risks. For best results, consider OEM replacements via Ford's parts network. Be sure to program all your key fobs at the same time. The system can forget older fobs if they aren't included in the programming sequence. If problems persist, it might be due to the PATS, passive anti-theft system, needing a reset, which might require a scan tool. Keep in mind that while DIY programming saves money, incorrect attempts could trigger the anti-theft system. Finally, for more complex issues, or if you're uncomfortable with DIY methods, consulting a professional mechanic is always a safe bet.